I've told you like 1,000 times that I will make a video on Maximus, specifically on this like graph thing. I use this a lot because it can be very handy for volume management. And I also use this setting a lot to control the high end. But first I will explain this part. You can see here in and out. So I've got a little lead, just a sound here. So you can see that the incoming signal comes here. So if I turn it louder, you know, you can just... So when it gets further to the right, it will also get taller, right? So the signal will get louder. But at this point here, when the signal continues to go further to the right, the bar won't get taller, so the signal won't get louder. And here it stops. Getting louder. Now the signal will distort a little bit, mostly volume management. Let's say we have a sample of which the volume just goes up, down, right? Now what I can do is just play with this. Depending on how tall the bar is, the volume will correspond to that. And this is quite like bouncy, I guess. So that's nice. This setting is what I use a lot. This one. What this means is that whatever the incoming signal is, how quiet it may be, it will be very loud very quickly. And it will just stay loud. Now this may sound a bit unnatural on this lead, but with a bass, for example, you want the distortion to be consistent on every note, so then this can be useful. What you can also do, have the top half normal, then the quiet signals disabled. So the bar will be zero tall, I guess. It will be non-existent for this amount of volume for the in value. So when you have an OTT, then that can happen that it is a bit. So I've got a random bass here, just to show this, how you can use this. But it is a very high and annoying thing at the end. So what you can do is just enable this. Because this high pitched thing is very quiet, the volume gate will do its thing.